अच्छा remix बनाया. I made a banger remix of. Alright guys, I'm on my way to the airport, heading to Hyderabad for a crazy weekend. Got a marathon gig tomorrow early in the morning, then rushing back to Bombay the same day for a party at St. Regis. So yeah, we've got no sleep and just music. That's the way to go. Let's go.
What are you doing?
Trying to create a new beat. I've taken up a challenge. My manager Manan has given me a challenge of making 1000 beats in the next 2 years. So at least one of them hits hard. So hopefully, so I'm working on that. So I'm already on my 10th beat right now. We just landed, got in the car, and yeah, we're gonna go check in at our hotel, use the gym, start the meditation, my daily 100-day challenge process that I'm doing right now. And then yeah, we have 2 calls to take, sound check at night. So I'm pretty excited for this amazing new experience that I'm getting into. So yeah, let's go. So we just checked in at the hotel. It's called the Taj Deccan. Love the hotel. Great service and really good ambience. And now yeah, we're gonna hit the gym in some time. Use the pool for a bit, and then the sound check is at 5. So yeah, looking forward for tomorrow's run, a different experience. So yeah, let's go. Getting the calories count out. That's how we do it. 100-day challenge. Tomorrow is actually gonna be a challenge because I have a flight at 12. We have to wake up at 5:30 for the marathon. We have a gig at 2:30 in Mumbai at St. Regis, and it's gonna go until 6:37. So I might have to work out at St. Regis. Don't know, how to figure that out tomorrow. So yeah, let's see how that goes.
20, come on, 10 more. 21, 22, 23, come on, 20, 24.
हाँ वही रेड टेबल में 5-6 है देखो.
Wake up. We have to go.
Oh my god, bro. Oh, hell no.
Let's go. It's 3:15. We have to reach there by 4:30, 4:45. Let's go. Checked everything. Haven't left anything in the room. We got the setup. Let's shoot a quick reel. I don't think we have time to shoot a reel now because the guy behind the camera is always late. Always. We'll try if we can. Otherwise, we'll straight go to the venue. They've called me to reach by 5 a.m. Let's see how the day goes. It's gonna be a hectic day. 2 shows in 1 day in 2 different cities. So yeah, excited for this. Always dreamt of having such days in my life, and finally it's happening. So yeah, thank you guys.
Yes, Pink Power Run 2025. It gives us great pleasure. So let's all thank all of them once again. Hyderabad, can we make some noise? I want a huge round of applause, please.
What's up guys, we're finally on the stage, ready to kill it. We are on in the next, I think, 30 seconds to 1 minute. And yeah, love the energy. Super grateful for this entire event and the day. Let's go, guys.
CEO of Smith World Organization on stage. Can we have the music, please?
One eternity later.
Landing was kind of tough. It was raining very heavily. So yeah, finally made it to Bombay. It's 1:56. 2:30 we have to reach Regis, take a quick shower, a chill shower, and head to Koishi for a nice 3-hour gig. So stay tuned, guys, for the next shot at Regis. And for all the success, I want to thank one person.
I want to thank me.
What an amazing show we had at the Pink Power Run. It was amazing. Now we are at the airport. It's 12 o'clock. The flight is at 12:20. We are a bit late. We were eating some pizza. So yeah, we just finished that. Took all the data down on the laptop. And now we are rushing. 1:30 we land and we have to straight head to St. Jesus for the private party. So yeah, I'm very excited. And yeah, we are running late. The guys are waiting over there. The boarding has already started. So yeah, see you guys in the next shot.